guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pam. If you're new here, you're welcome, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and press the bell thing so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. I make hair, beauty, and mom life types of videos, so if you like, please subscribe down below. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I made these gorgeous mini box braids. Like you see, they're so pretty and I am in love. And you know me, I love like braids, twists, and whatever. So I'm gonna show you guys a small tutorial on how you can get them longer like this. I have used this hair before in the past, and I made like a big box braid, so I ended up buying the same hair because I love the way the other box braids turned out. So you guys are gonna this is the hair that I'm gonna be using. I got it off Amazon and it was only like 20 bucks for like 8 packs, so I think that is a good deal, and I only like used 6.5 packs. So this is how I'm just going to measure the amount of hair that I'm gonna use. And like you see me, I am trying to stretch the hair so that I have it in a longer I have it longer when I braid it. So this is what I'm doing right now, and I'm just gonna put the hair into 2 sections like you see me do in the video, and then get straight into braiding. This is really preference because the hair already comes like pre-plucked, so you don't really have to do this unless you want your hair to be a little bit longer. So here I'm just showing you my DIY shea butter that I just use that on that section, and I only left like 2 sections so that I show you guys how I actually braided the whole hair. So I have like that hair. I'm just trying to moisturize it since I'm gonna have it in a protective style, so I want to make sure it is moisturized and it is not breaking. So this shea butter is so amazing, makes my hair so soft. So I'm just gonna go ahead and section that hair into 2 equal parts and then get straight into the braid. So this is really beginner friendly, so I just sectioned that hair into like 2 equal parts, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and braid. Like those 3 sections are gonna help me like grab the hair and then start braiding it, the hair plus the hair extension, and then just continue braiding. So I realized that when I add some eco styling gel, I am getting good results. Like the natural hair, it's actually being smooth and smoothing out the braid. So I was adding up some eco styling gel and then braiding until the ends of the braid. So I'm just gonna repeat the same process so that you guys get what I am actually doing. So I'm not gonna say much, but just watch me. I'm just gonna zoom it a little bit for you guys so that you see exactly what is going on. This is finally it. This is how the hair looks. I loved it. Amazing. So I loved the ends, especially they were really smooth and really, you know, slim. You get it? So this is how the hair looks. I didn't add any accessories this time because I just want my hair to be like that, but it is so amazing, beautiful hair. And there the ends, you guys, check that out. So pretty. You guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please share, comment below, like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for all those who subscribed recently. I really appreciate, and thank you so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.